Are you dealing with bleeding gums, sensitive teeth, or breath that just won't stay fresh no matter how much you brush? What if the secret to a perfect smile isn't a new toothbrush, but a specific oral oil used for centuries? Today, we're investigating Dentitox Pro. Stick around because this review could save you thousands in dental bills. But first, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on the latest health breakthroughs. Hey, I'm Layla, and I'm here to help you upgrade your health, your habits, and your life, one simple step at a time. Most of us think that brushing and flossing is enough, but did you know that many dental issues actually start from the inside? Nutritional deficiencies and bad oral bacteria can lead to gum recession and enamel erosion before you even notice a cavity. Dentitox Pro was created by Mark Hall, a longtime researcher who believed that natural plant extracts could do what harsh chemicals can't: support the body's own ability to rebuild and protect oral tissues. So what's actually in these drops? It's a blend of vitamins and herbal extracts. Vitamins A, C, D3, and K2. These are the big four for teeth. Vitamin D3 and K2 work together to make sure calcium actually goes into your teeth and bones, while vitamin C is the gold standard for gum tissue repair. Phosphorus and potassium. These minerals help remineralize your enamel, making your teeth less sensitive to hot and cold. Elderberry and xylitol. These act as natural cleansers, targeting the bacteria that cause bad breath and plaque buildup. Sage and cinnamon. Known for their anti-inflammatory properties, they help soothe irritated gums almost instantly. Let's address the big question: can it really regrow gums? While no supplement is a replacement for surgery in extreme cases, users report that by reducing inflammation and providing the right nutrients, their gums feel tighter and look healthier. The beauty of the liquid format is that it reaches the pockets between your teeth and gums where toothbrushes can't reach. You apply 6 drops daily directly to your teeth and gums, or mix it with your toothpaste. In 2026, people are moving away from alcohol-based mouthwashes that kill all bacteria, even the good ones. Dentitox Pro is designed to balance your oral microbiome. It's non-GMO, made in a GMP-certified facility, and contains no synthetic fillers. It's about long-term dental health, not just a quick chemical mask for bad breath. If you're looking for an easy, natural way to boost your dental hygiene routine, Dentitox Pro is definitely worth a look. They offer significant discounts on 3 and 6 bottle packages, and like most top-tier supplements, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Ready to reclaim your smile? I've put the official link for Dentitox Pro in the description and the pinned comment. Click there to see the latest 2026 results and grab your supply. Comment below. Have you ever tried an oral supplement before? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching.